Transit Custom 2 litre Eco Blue. This is a 2019 custom. Time to change the air filter. Let's have a look if it's as easy as it could be. So it could be as easy as removing these securing clips at the top of the airbox and the airbox hinging up with little else needed to be removed, but no. So that needs to be removed. Does that pipe might need to be removed? Let's see. Might make things easier. Look at me multitasking, left-handed too. We're getting somewhere. Let's have a look at the back there. I hope it just goes into tabs. Yes, it does. Okay, so we've got tabs along the back, up and out. Pipe on here. It's stupidly tight. Hold on. You get the idea. Tabs in the back. Haven't really got enough light up, you can see. Yeah, you get the idea. Slots in the back, pushes down into the back, down at the front, clipped on at the front. Mind that pipe doesn't get damaged. So this van is 6 years old. It's been serviced, not at a main dealer, but at my favourite garage. Have a look. Yep, that's all good. All good. I've done 12,000 miles this service. 10,000 isn't a bad number. If you are using these cars with wet belts, make sure you use the right oil. But this video is about air filters, so check you've got the right one, the right size. I think this one's a better quality one than the one I've just bought, but not to worry. I'm going to hoover out the airbox because I like to just hoover out any residue, any little bits, put it back together. Make sure you put things the right way up, the right way round. I think with this it's more of a case of just the right way up, of course. Sealing rubber gasket area around the edge there, integral to the air filter. We want to seal, there's not much point, we'd have a hole and all the dust is going to get pressurised there, sucked up even faster, isn't it, and escape. So just take a minute. You're not a mechanic if you're watching this, you don't need to fling things about on a pay grade, a pay scale, a pay time. Make sure everything's seated nicely. Take your time, it's probably your own car. You can see how that rubber edge, that sort of integral gasket is going to fit in there. Be gently squash down into place. Don't trap your wires. Don't damage this. I'm going to have to go two-handed now, but obviously you can see what we're doing. We've got to line those tabs up. Whoa. these tabs up with their corresponding holes down there. Get a nice tight fit, sliding in there, lowering the front tab. Okay, so this is when you know how this is a very tight fit against this. Get it lined up along the edge, nice and lined up. Just push it forward so that that corner clears this. Make sure it's dead in line, left and right, dead in line here. There's not a lot of room, so clear this. Get it lined up left and right, and those back slots all fit in together. And then all we're doing, pushing it down, we're going to clip at those clips, front and side. We've got our connector plug, make sure all secure. Refit that, do that up. So there we are. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, all the back slots are lined up. Take the plug back in, air tube tightened up, and we didn't damage this or remove it. Air filter done, all by yourself, nice and easy, on your Transit Custom 2 litre Eco Blue. This is a 2019.